In this video, I will show you how to install Windows in solid-state drive, SSD, easily in 2023. In this method, you need a SATA to USB cable to connect your SSD. This type of cable you need. Plug in the cable of your SSD, then plug the SSD into your desktop or laptop to install Windows. I plug my SSD my laptop. See install Windows this SSD. After that, go to your web browser, download Rufus latest version software and Windows ISO file. I already download both software. Run Rufus software. Select your Windows ISO file. Check mark list USB hard drives to show SSD. See now SSD showing. Select Windows to go option. Then click Start. Now select the Windows version you want to install Windows. Press OK. Press OK, again. Press OK. Click Close. Now disconnect your SSD. Now connect your SSD to targeted PC. Disconnect your Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Then turn on your PC. Press Boot menu, select your boot option. See Windows are starting now. Follow the instruction. See Windows installation successfully and working well. That's it, enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.